So I got a quick repair video today, and that's how to repair one of these little shutters that's on a blind that's built into the window. As you can see, this is one of the kind of newer style windows where they open up, close, and then you can operate the shutters with this little bar here. And as you can see here on the left side, everything works except this one came unattached. So I'm going to show you how to get this one back attached to this bar with a little cool tool trick. So we're just going to go a little overboard as usual, just because I want to make sure you guys kind of get an in-depth understanding of what's going on here. So as you can see here, there's two staples, one that goes into this bar and one that goes into the shutter. See how they interlock? So right there is what we're trying to achieve, and it looks like this one that was attached to the bar came out. So what we're going to try and do is put this staple back into the bar and then compress these two together so that they'll act as one unit again. Alright, so now what we're going to want to do is orient that staple in the right direction. And as you can kind of see here, I'll do my best to show you, holes are pointing up and down. So we're just going to want to push this whole bar up and then manually push this bar shade up here. And then orient that staple and just try and finagle it till it gets into those holes. Remember, you can move both the bar and the shade independently to get yourself into a good spot. So I'm going to see if you can maybe see that. I've got both ends of the staple into the former holes. And now what you might want to do if you constantly have this problem is maybe put a little bit of glue into each of those holes and then push the staple in so that it will actually hold. But since this is the first time that I've had to deal with this on this particular spot, I think it might have just come out from maybe some rough handling. So now what I'll do is slowly just manipulate this bar up and then start pushing with my other finger. See if I can get you kind of closer in on this. So now that it's in, we can just push in. And if you have trouble pushing it in the rest of the way, what you can do, so I'll set you back down here, is get a pair of your channel locks or water pump pliers, and then so that we don't damage this front side, because what we're going to do is we're going to compress that staple in, and I don't want to damage that painted bar. So what I'll do is maybe I'll see if there's, just take some scrap toilet paper here, or you can, obviously you can use a rag or whatever you want. Fold that up, just like that. And get those two in there, and I'll give you one more peek here to get us a better idea. So now what I can do is just squeeze those together. If you can see that, look at that, just slowly coming together. That should be about enough. And now, let's test this out. And just like that, we've repaired it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to share them below in the comment section, or if you have any other cool tips and tricks, again, feel welcome to share them. Thanks for watching the video. If it was helpful, please give it a like, share it if you might think others might benefit from it, and subscribe. It's free. It helps the channel, helps me grow, and helps get my content out to other people to save you money. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.